What's the deal now?
Your cat's baby, Bootsy, Tinkerbell, Maxine, Skip, have gone rampage. They attacked a man and scratched him in the arm. And they attacked me and scratched me. They tried to kill us all. Move that bag, sir. This is not a documentary.
Hard.
So, where are their hiding places?
Brought to you in part by Doritos. Eat fresh.
Where are their hiding places?
I have no clue, sir.
So, do you have any thoughts?
They could be in the backyard, running around. They run around a lot back there.
So, shall we inspect the room?
No.
The room is where we keep wild cats. Most of
We
them.
shall expect all rooms.
Dun dun dun, except that room.
Dun, dun, dun. No, we're gonna. Oh yeah, this. Oh yeah.
We shall inspect your room. So where shall we go?
Over there.
Wait a minute.
Keep your gun out.
I got a shotgun.
I'm sorry.
You traitor!
No, I shot you.
Yeah. Hello, sir.
Hi.
Come with us.
Oh.
Zach, from the back.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh, take off your damn shoes, retard.
Sorry. I didn't mean to.
Oh, take them off.
Okay.
God damn. Get back. No, get back.
We got the corner. Get the sleeping dart. Handcuff him. Drag him. Pull him back. Pull him back.
Oh, God. What are you doing? What do you want?
Oh, we took his gun. He can never escape.